Hi class, we're going to take a look at number 10 from 3.3. So I've already written the problem down. We have this function, this polynomial, and we want to figure out if there's real zeros, what they are, and what happens at those zeros. So first, looking at our function, it's already factored. That's super helpful. So when something's already factored, then we take what's in the factored part, set it equal to 0, and now we have our two zeros. Okay, so if I placed a 2 into the function, I would get out a 0. If I put a -4 into the function, I would get out a 0. So these are our zeros that we were supposed to find. So now we got to figure out what happens at these zeros. So we're going to check out right there. We're going to look at their exponents. So if there is to the first, so let's look at the powers. The powers are the multiplicities. That's how many times does this 0 appear in factored form. So we were using exponents up here just to make it quicker to write, but I could have wrote x minus 2 3 times and x plus 4 2 times. All right, so our multiplicity here, if we have a multiplicity of 1, it's going to cross. Multiplicity of 2, I think of it as a bounce. It's going to touch and turn. 3, I think this is a wiggle. 3 or odd greater than 1. So this is a wiggle. It's going to cross. But when it crosses, it's going to do some wiggling. Okay? And anything that is even or greater is going to be touch or turn. Okay, so in this case we have a 3 for the multiplicity, so we're going to cross. And we have a 2 for the multiplicity, so we're going to bounce or touch and turn. So we're only going to cross at 2, and we're going to bounce or touch and turn at -4. Okay, I hope this helped.